Hello everyone, welcome to Dickson's Java's 101 tutorial 5, and today I'm going to teach you how to use for loop. So I created a project called tutorial 5 and a class called for loops. And in Java there are many types of loops. For example, there are do while loop, for loop, and while loops. So I'm just going to focus on for loops today. What are they? Loops. Loops is a continuous cycle that goes round and round and round and round. So it's pretty much repetition, repeating statements. If I want to go system.out.println, please subscribe to my channel. I don't want to just go copy and paste it 5 times. In fact, there is a very simple way using a for loop to write please subscribe to my channel 5 times. So let's just get rid of this and I'll show you what's a for loop. A for loop looks like this. So you have a for open and closing brackets, and I'm going to create an int variable called I. So I is our variable and this is our data type, and usually we have a 0 in the beginning. And in computer programming, 0 is a number and 0 has a value. If you know about binary numbers like 01101111001, those are all binary numbers and 0 is a 1. And for example, when I want to print please subscribe to my channel 5 times, and since 0 is a number, I'm going to go I less than 5. So just bear with me. So since 0 is a number, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we want 4 on a 5th finger. So I can say I starts from 0, I is less than 5. So if I is less than 5, it means I will be 4. Okay, and then you have a semicolon called I++. So you go open curly bracket and then closing curly bracket. So for int I is equal to 1, remember 0 is a number, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Since there are 5 fingers here, it will print 5 statements. You'll see. So I'm going to run this program. Awesome. Please subscribe to my channel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for loops has a lot of positive results. It can be complicated when you nest inside a for loop. So nesting means a loop within a loop. So I might show you that later on, but this is very useful. You want to print a statement 5 times. And now I want to also show you how to count an increment. You don't want to do system.println 1, system.println 2, system.println 3. Here is an easy way to list a lot of numbers. So, and I want to also show you, if you just put system.out.println speech marks, a little gap, it will provide a space between 2 lines. So I'm just going to put that line, space between 2 lines. So counting for loop. So I want to for open curly brackets. I want to create a new integer, an int, which is a whole number called k. Usually we like to list down the alphabet, so we start with I, J, K, L, M, which should be J. So put that 0, and I want to make a list 1 to 5. So I go I equals 0, J is less than 5, and then J plus plus. That is called incrementing 1 at a time. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. We can also do a decrement. I'll show you a decrement later, but I just want to do an increment first. So we're going to go system.println, and we can go count plus j. So you're going to run this. It's going to shock you. You can see, please subscribe to my channel. We have a space here, and since we made it that I starts from 0, we got I is less than 5 plus I plus plus, so I got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we want I to start from 1, we can, but we'll have to change I as equal to less than 5. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'll show you what I mean. So j, we're going to put in here k. If I starts from 0, we can, but it has to k is less than or equal to 5 plus k. Awesome. Should have a space here. Let me put a space here so you can see the difference. See, we have one that starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the other one that starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is an increment. And I'll just show you, so to continue, if I want to show you a decrement using a for loop, we can just use the same principle, which is for, and I'm just going to use the m variable, okay? M equal to 5, semicolon, m is less than or equal to 1, and then m minus minus. Open curly bracket, closing curly bracket. So the computer usually does do that for you. And I'm just going to print it out. So system.out.println count decrement. And then I'm just going to add m. And you're going to count increment, just to show you the differentiation. Okay, I'm going to run this. So we got count increment 1 to 5, and then decrement. We have to go greater than. Well, that's a huge error. Because we're counting down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we need the computer to stop at a number that is greater or less than 1. So it needs to be the opposite. So if I run this again, you can see decrement 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is very crucial. You can see there's a difference when it's an increment is less than to greater to 5. But when it's a decrement, it is greater than and less than equal to 1. And it's a minus minus plus plus. And make sure you have different variables so you don't get mixed up. So just a recap, the for loop, you have the initial start where you want it to stop, and you want to either increment or decrement. And you can just put a simple system.out.println inside the for loop. So just give this a try and play around, and I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you.